get this. Let's start getting in there. So just opened it. And I haven't really looked in there, so let's see what we got here. Styrofoam. Cool. Alright. Tools, handle, USB. Alright. Limit switches. Okay. There it is. Scraper. It's clay, right? So I did get an extra set of nozzles. So let's see if these are them. Different sizes. I don't know if that's some gauges or something. But it goes pretty fine to pretty coarse there, so that's kind of neat. All right. All right, what else we got here? Oh, it's like clay. Oh, some more clay. I think it said a kilogram of clay, so that would be it. All right, what do we have here? Oh, more 2 printer user manual. It's in Chinese. GT Anjan. Okay. I see. For my, I came from Shenzhen, China. Okay, so it's all in English and Chinese, Mandarin. Cool. Good. What do we have here? We have, looks like our fiberglass printing surface. Cool. It's clay, so it's not like tolerances are a little bit bigger than you would with your regular plastic packaging. Ooh, there we are. Okay. That's pretty close to one piece. That's interesting. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, okay, no, we'll get this one first. Oh. Oh, wow. Pretty beefy screw on that. Let's see. This must be for the extruder. The clay gets extruded from a barrel, pushed up to what would be a hot end. Let's see if I can get this out. All right, we got our X gantry, XZ gantry, drive screws. Cool. Something I've been kind of neat thing is that these wheels, they seem to be stainless. It's cool. That's all assembled there. Here for a minute. What else we got here? Oh, this is our extruder nozzle. You can see it in there, but there's a nice auger bit that, let's see if I maybe can't see that, but it's so the clay comes here, this turns and pushes it out. Auger extrudes that way. What we got here? Oh, SD card, cool. Mini SD, and another limit switch. I don't know what that's for. Because yeah, it's already got the X on there. Maybe Z. Okay, just empty boxes, I guess. Using it for there. Oh yeah, some hose pushing the clay from the bottle to the extruder. Oh. More hose. Plastic bands. Alright. Oh, it's pretty decent. Looks like decent build quality so far. So some holes for the... They're threaded too, cool. For the X gantry. Okay. So it needs to be snipped, those. Here. So far it looks pretty solid. Okay, oh, so that's that. The bottom. We got here. This must. Here we have the bottle, big bottle. Ah, here we are. All right. I think these are supposed to be 500 milliliters. So you pack your clay into here, your mud. I think you're supposed to take the viscosity, make it a little thinner so it can get pushed through. So we got 2 of those. Cool. Saran wrap or cling wrap, whatever. Your poison. Plug, very good. Ooh. Oh, okay, what do we have here? Oh, that's the plunger for the extruder, yeah. Big screws on that. Looks like some Teflon tape, probably for the pneumatic fittings they're using. Good stuff. What do we got here? Got a case for the bottle. All right. Bottle goes in like that. And yeah, it's pushed out. Cool. Ooh, jeez. Man. Oh, wow. That is beefier than expected. Got your stepper motor there. What is that? Looks like NEMA 23. NEMA 23 stepper motor geared down to that bearing casing there. Geared down to, that's a pretty hefty gearbox there. More than I expected. Well, you're going to be pushing clay, so you need some some torque, to get that through there. And is there anything else? Yeah. All right. Okay. So I guess we'll assemble next. Good night.